Now continuation of the traveling salesperson problem. Listen carefully. Now we have to take node 1 comma 4 fully reduced matrix C, that is C, and the cost of, and now we have to find out the value cost of node 6, that is the path 1 comma 4 comma 2. Make fourth row and second column of reduced matrix to infinity, and also make 2 comma 1 to infinity. ante first row, fourth row and second column we have to place infinity, and also make 2 comma 1 to infinity. Okay, now we have to calculate row minimization and column minimization is zeros, and we have to calculate cost of node 6, that is equal to cost of 4 comma 2 plus cost of 4 plus reduced cost matrix, that is equal to cost of 4 comma 2. How much we have to look at cost of node 1 comma 4. See here, above C is equal to 4 comma 1. How much here for 4 comma 2, and fourth row and second column the value is 3 plus cost of 4. Look at cost of 4, how much? 25, and plus reduced matrix is nothing but column matrix plus column row matrix plus row minimization plus column minimization is equal to reduced cost matrix, that is equal to 0. We have to now calculate 3 plus 25 is equal to 28. Now we have to calculate cost of node 7. The path is 1 comma 4 comma 3. Yes, okay. Now 1 comma 4 comma 3. Make fourth row and third column of reduced matrix to infinity, and also make 3 comma 1 to infinity. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Cost of 7, that is equal to, for here we have to place make fourth row and third column of reduced matrix to infinity, and also make 3 comma 1 to infinity. Okay, and then we have to calculate row minimization. In row minimization we have to see, in second row the minimum value is 0, and third row the minimum value is 2, and fifth row the minimum value is 0. And coming to the column side, column 1 the minimum value is 11, and column 2 the minimum value is 0, and column 5 the minimum value is 0. And we have to perform the operation row minimization. Row 3 is equal to how much? Row 3 is equal to row 3 is equal to row 3 minus 2, and then coming to the column operation, column 1 is equal to column 1 minus 11. Okay, and we have to do that performation, we get this, that it. Okay, and that's, and next cost of 7, that is equal to cost of 4 comma 3 plus cost of 4 plus reduced matrix. Cost of 4 comma 3 how much? Above we have to see cost of 4 comma 3 how much? 12. Okay, cost of 4 is equal to cost of 4 is equal to 25 plus reduced matrix 2 plus 11 how much? Row minimization plus column minimization 13, and total how much? 25 plus 12 plus 13 50. Now we have to calculate cost of node 8. Path is 1 comma 4 comma 5. Look at this, 1 comma 4 comma 5. Make fourth row and fifth column of reduced matrix to infinity, and also make 5 comma 1 to infinity. Look at this diagram. Node 1 25 cost, 2 3 4 5, fourth cost is 25, and coming to the second vertex and third vertex, fifth vertex, we get the values of cost 6 is equal to 28, cost 7 is equal to 50, cost 8 we have to calculate. Now we make fourth row and fifth column of reduced matrix to infinity, and also make 5 comma 1 to infinity. You have to calculate we have to minimize the row minimization, the operation of row 2. Row 2 is equal to row 2 minus 11, and then column minimization is all 0. And coming the, we have to calculate now cost of node, that is equal to cost of 4 comma 5 plus cost of 4 plus reduced cost matrix. Cost of 4 comma 5 how much? We have to see cost of 4 comma 5 how much? 0. And then the cost of 4 25 plus reduced matrix how much? Row minimization 11, total 36. And now for further calculation we will use reduced cost matrix of node 6. Look at the diagram here. One node 25. We have to choose minimum cost. Fourth node, how much? Fourth vertex 25. And coming to this second vertex, third vertex and fifth vertex, which one is minimum? Second vertex is minimum. Now we have to choose 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. Why we have to choose 3? This is the minimum value. Okay, and we have to find out now 6 7 8 and 9 10. Okay, remaining vertexes. So how many remaining vertex? 2 remaining vertex, third vertex and fifth vertex. Now we have to calculate C, fully reduced matrix. Which node we have to take? 1 comma 4 comma 2 value we have to take, and then cost of node 9, path 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 3. Make second row and third column of reduced matrix to infinity, and also make C of 3 comma 1 to infinity. Okay, we have to calculate second row and third column infinity, and we have to make 3 comma 1 to infinity. In row wise we have get row 3 and row 5 minimum values 2 comma 11, and we have to perform the operation of row 3 is equal to row 3 minus 2 and row 5 is equal to row 5 minus 11. Total how much? 2 plus 11 13. This is the reduced cost matrix. Now we have to calculate the cost of node 9, that is equal to cost of 2 comma 3 plus cost of 6 plus cost of reduced matrix, that is equal to cost of 2 comma 3. How much? We have to look at this fully reduced matrix. 2 comma 3 how much? 11 plus cost of 6. We have to calculate cost of 6 28 plus cost of reduced matrix 13. Total we get 52 value. And coming to the cost of node 10, path 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 5. Make second row and fifth column of reduced matrix to infinity, and make column of 5 comma 1 to infinity. Why we have to take second row and fifth column? We have to choose 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 5. That is the path. We have to choose to second last two values, second row and fifth column of reduced matrix to infinity, and make 5 comma 1 to infinity. We see row minimization and column minimization is 0. Now we have to calculate the cost of node 10, that is equal to cost of 2 comma 5 plus cost of 6 plus reduced cost matrix is equal to cost of 2 comma 5. How much we have? Look at 2 comma 5 how much? 0 plus cost of 6 28 plus cost of reduced matrix is 0. The cost of 10 is equal to 28. We get the minimum cost of path. How much? 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 5 comma 3. That is the value. How much we get? Cost of node 10 28. This is the state space tree. All of you listen carefully. First, coming to the node 1, cost 25, and we have seen in the question 5 cities we have to visit. Remaining 2 3 4 5, and cost of 4 we have to calculated previously class. How much we get? 25. And remaining what is 2 3 5, in the sense second vertex, third vertex, fifth vertex. We have to choose. Let us take some values: 6th node, 7th node, 8th node. Coming to the cost of node 6, we have to calculate the answer node of vertex 2 is 28, and we have to choose here the minimum cost, in the sense least cost is a kind of such, one kind of such. It's a least cost. We have to, based on the least cost, we have to expand the nodes. Okay, and then node 6 we have to coming to the node 6 in 9 node remaining vertex 3 and vertex 5. Which vertex is minimum now? Vertex 5 is minimum 28. That node we have to expand. Remaining vertex is 3. That node is 11. We get 28 value. The path of the shortest possible path is 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 5 comma 3. That is the shortest possible route of our traveling salesperson problem. Okay, thank you. Later we have to discuss the next topic, traveling salesperson problem. Okay.